Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to schedule an Instagram post. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to make schedule an Instagram post. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to open your Instagram account and then you need to jump over your profile icon. After that, you need to click here, edit profile. Obviously, if your Instagram account is a personal account, then you need to switch personal to professional account. So after that you can easily make any post schedule. So for that you need to click here, switch to professional account. After that is going to appear. You need to click here, continue, and then click here, continue, and you can easily choose any category you want and then click here, done. And now there is something, say, are you a creator? Obviously you're going to click here, creator, and then I'm going to click here, next. And then here's some setup for your professional account. You can easily set up those things, but I'm going to right now close all those things. And then now if you try to post anything in your Instagram account, normally we click this plus icon and we choose our post. For example, this is my post and I would like to make this post as a schedule. So we're going to click here, next, and then I'm going to click here, next. Here if we scroll all the way down, we will find there's something, say, advanced setting. From here we will find there's something, say, schedule this post. So we're going to click turn on this and then you can easily choose what time or what date you want. So I'm going to make this post schedule and I'm going to click here, done. And then if I go back, and then here you can easily type anything you want. For example, this is a post about Valentine's. So I'm going to type here happy Valentine, and I'm going to click here OK, and then I'm going to click here schedule. So now you can see this post as I had successfully make schedule. You can click here view and you can easily re-edit this timing, or if you want to delete this post you can delete, or if you want to post right now you can do that by clicking this three icon. A pop-up going to appear. You can just view this post, and if you decide to edit this post or reschedule or share now, or if you want to delete, you can do that. So within this simple way you can easily schedule an Instagram post. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.